Hello, we are at 999 Bush, and this is apartment 303. Nice updated one-bedroom apartment, and we are on the 3rd floor out of 6. Right when you come in the front door of the apartment, you're in a small entry foyer. Immediately to your left is the newly renovated bathroom. Got a nice big shower enclosure with marble tile, rain shower, shower head, glass shower doors. Have a mirrored vanity that does open up. There's shelves inside. Nice tile floor, and of course a cabinet here under the bathroom sink with an exhaust fan. Okay. Coming into the living room, these windows are facing west in terms of exposure, and we are right here on Bush at Jones. This apartment faces the Jones side. Okay, there's the electric wall-mounted heater for this room. Kitchen, nice white cabinets, subway tile backsplash. Have a fridge and a gas stove. Black and white tile floor, under cabinet lighting, some cell phone chargers, quartz countertops. Okay, and then passing through the living room, these French doors here between the bedroom can be left open or closed. And the reason why is there is another way into the bedroom off of the foyer. So it's really up to you how you want to configure it. I will open them for time being. Nice big bedroom. You could do a king size bed in here. Got 2 closets. Well, actually 3. I'll show you. Double closet. Okay, single closet. And then this could be used as a closet if you'd like. And also this is the way that you can pass back and forth in and out of the bedroom if you choose to keep the French doors closed. So nice flexible floor plan. You can configure it a whole bunch of different ways. Windows are facing west again, out onto the Jones Street side of the building. Okay, and then here is the heater for this room. Okay, so that's a quick look at the unit. This building does also have laundry on site. Also has a great little cafe down in the laundromat. This has been 999 Bush, apartment 303. Thanks for watching.